Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are unboxing the paper pumpkin today. I'm super excited to see it. I just love the box. So let's go ahead and look at what we've got here. It looks like we have some glitter. It's like a glitter glue or a glitter of some sort. We'll have to read about that. The color is real red. Love it. And these, I'm gonna have to find a piece of white paper, which I never have. I need to always have that available. Here we go. Oh, here's white paper. Let's see. Okay, here we go. We've got some trees, some snowflakes, another tree. This will be snow or dots. We've got a little house decorated for Christmas. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and celebrate the wonder and joy of the festive season. You guys, I have been a Paper Pumpkin subscriber since it first came out. And I've had some put-togethers live, but I want to do a paper pumpkin put together and not live on YouTube, but live on Zoom. So I'm going to open that up for my paper pumpkin subscribers and any of my team members who buy paper pumpkin from themselves. And on the first Wednesday of each month, we're going to put these together, and I'm going to send out a little note with an invite on how to join the live on Zoom, so we can put them together and have a good time with other people who are doing the same exact thing. I'll also have maybe a game or door prizes, as well as some fun giveaways here and there. But I will definitely be giving some direction and a list of what to have on hand to make some alternatives as well. So let's go ahead. Oh, something's feeling nice on that other side. I always keep these little cardboards as well. And look at here. We're going to be able to make 8 cards, and the envelopes are beautiful. Looks like we have some cutouts, and we've got these great cards here, 2 different cards, 4 of each. Of course, it comes with directions and everything we will need. Let's see, it doesn't tell me what that glue is here. Let's see if it tells me on here. It contains, it tells me the different colors, and it contains supplies for the 8 cards and envelopes. So I'm thinking this is like a glitter enamel effects maybe. So you put it on, it's going to put that glitter, or maybe it's a glitter glue, and then when it dries you'll see all that glittery kind of for snow. So it's got some dots on here. It has some dimensionals, which I always need. It's got the cutouts for the homes and the little scenes. Other homes. More homes. And then another set with 4 homes there. These are the envelopes. Nice and big cards. I'm loving this. And what else do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the card bases for 1 set of cards. We've got the card bases for another set of cards. We've got the trees, they're cutouts, so you've got a nice variety there. We have some banners. And here we go. This is some glittery cutouts as well. So perfect. Definitely already know I'm going to be using some of this extra glitter that's going to be left behind for an alternative project. Definitely, for sure. And I cannot wait to come up with some alternative projects to be able to show my Paper Pumpkin subscribers. And again, I already told you about this, so I know some of you have purchased your Paper Pumpkin already to be able to do that with me on November 1st. But if you want to get in on the next month, which will be in December, make sure you sign up with Paper Pumpkin by the 10th of November, and then you'll get the December kit in November. So I cannot wait for those of you who are Paper Pumpkin subscribers. Make sure you look for an invitation and directions from me from Beauty and the Stamper. It'll come in the form of an email, and I look forward to crafting with each of you. Again, it will be the first Wednesday of each month at 5 p.m. Arizona time, which means 4 p.m. Pacific. And then Mountain goes to 5 p.m. with Arizona. Central is 6 p.m. and Eastern is 7 p.m. And it's only about an hour and a half or so that we'll be playing with each other, but it'll be lots of fun, and I hope you'll join me. You can go to BeautyandtheStamper.com to sign up for Paper Pumpkin for next month. And do you know, you might even be able to get in on time. If you go to sign up for Paper Pumpkin now, you are able to buy past kits. So I don't know if this one's out and ready to purchase yet, but if it is and you can get it to yourself on time, you'll be invited. All right, beauties, I hope you like this kit. I cannot wait to not only make the cards that come with it, but make some alternatives as well. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!